Okay guys, it's 7 a.m. Just came to the shop, started my machine, started my CNC lathe. The compressor just stopped. And today's job is to grind two wheels. The material is 1.2379, order for American guys, D2 tool steel. It is hardened at 62 HRC, and after that it is nitrided. So they are pretty hard on the surface. The depth of nitriding is 0.3 millimeters, and we need to grind out the interior. Interior, we have a smaller diameter of 0.3 millimeters, but after grinding we will still left 0.15 millimeters per side of hard nitrided material. So we need to make an arbor. In the past we have used this green wheel that kind of works, and before that we have started using this white aluminum oxide wheel that did not work. The material is pretty hard, and this white wheel just blows apart when it's thin, and it's just not cutting right. So we have made these green wheels that are kind of working but not excellent. So I have bought some SG wheels. We need to make a similar arbor to this. This is one that I made. I think this is one that I made. And I have a couple of blanks. For example, this is not finished. I need to drill a hole to hold the stone. But you get the idea. I want to make another arbor like this, but with the boss here, so the stone can index the with this hole. And we need to make another cap that goes into the recess, and the bolt just tighten all the stuff down. So let's go make another arbor for this machine.
Just making a quick hand sketch, something for reference, and let's go to the lathe and make the arbor. We'll make the part in one operation. That's not the best way. The best way is to rough it, part it off, and machine it after that between centers, because if the material has stress in it, it can warp, and after parting we could have a bent piece of arbor, but it is so short, so I don't think that is really the issue right now. So I decided to make it in one setup, basically two setups, but the all important stuff in one setup. And after that, we will flip the part and drill for the M10 retaining bolt. Uh, that is not a very important feature, so it don't need to be exact with the other machined surfaces, because the bolt is just for tightening. It's not for precision. This shoulder, that 25 millimeter shoulder that I hit 1 micron under, that is the shoulder for the positioning. So that M10 screw is just to hold it tight again, uh, against that shoulder. And this is the part after the second setup. Now to the milling machine, so we can drill the holes for tightening. Basically just a 6 bolt hole pattern to be able to put the spanner wrench and to be able to tighten it against the spindle. Nothing precise or nothing crazy. Just drilling and some chamfers so we don't cut ourselves. Back to the grinding machine, setting the part up, dial it in axially and radially so we can start the grinding process. It will be fun. To remove the hub itself is pretty easy. You just need to lock the spindle with the spanner wrench and twist the arbor out. I crashed the stove and it broke off while testing the hydraulic. Now install the new stone and just tighten it down.
And we start by dressing the wheel. It is a little bit wobbly before dressing. It has a vibration in it, but we dress it and it runs perfect now. I hope that this grinding wheel will be better than the other wheels. Just didn't work. My material it's too hard for the wheels. It degraded so damn quickly that it basically didn't remove any material. And touch off and zero out the DRO, and from there we start grinding and dressing the wheel and grinding and more grinding and more dressing the wheel, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah. 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 City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, the steel messenger. Cobblestone path.
For measuring we use a bore gauge because we need to see also what taper we have, and we have a little bit of taper. Now I'm checking with a 3-point mic just to make a sanity check so I hit my numbers right. The grinding wheel is still degrading too fast and it's not predictable. You cannot adjust the taper because the taper is not consequent. Sometimes it's in the back, sometimes it's in the front, so you cannot adjust it. It is what it is. And we have finished the grind. Didn't go that well, didn't go as expected, so I need to figure out how to mount a CBN wheel here because a lot of dressing, a lot of grinding, and I use the DRO. You go like 0.1 millimeters, but the diameter increases in like 0.02 millimeters, so a lot of grinding wheel wear. So we have a bore gauge with a 1 micron resolution. With a nominal size of -2 microns under 68. So we need to figure that out, how to set it. I can't set it for the camera. Okay, the tolerance is M6 tolerance. It is -5 microns, -24 microns at 68. So first bearing fit is minus like 13-14 microns, and the second bearing fit is like minus 18. So we have a little bit of taper, 4 microns, 3-4 microns taper. That is because of the stone, because I tried to adjust the taper but is not consecutive. I adjust the taper and then it's cut on the other side, or I didn't adjust the taper but the taper is now here, now there. It's just because the wear of this stone, because the stone is not tough enough to cut my hard material. So we need to figure out how to mount a CBN wheel here, and let's see how that goes. Lucky for me, it fits the arbor without any modification. I just put it on and let it go. It removes the material 10 times faster. It removes pretty damn quick, and it's more reliable. We can use the DRO for actual measuring stuff. Before this, with other stone was just guesswork. A little bit of taper adjustment and it goes fine. Okay, these are the CBN wheels that I have bought from eBay. They were working excellent compared with the other stones. The second part is also finished. I almost blew the tolerance. It is like 5 micron under 68 millimeters, so we are exactly on the bottom of tolerance of M6 at this diameter. It eats the material pretty damn fast. It is 100 times better than this wheel, like 50 times better than this wheel. It's like 20 times better than this wheel. This was the best wheel, but still it wears pretty quick on this material with this heat treatment. So for now we were using just CBN wheels. I will make an arbor for all of them and use the CBN wheel when we're grinding D2 with a nitrided surface. Okay, bye.